RoboFreaks. In this video, we take a look at Scratch Editor and learn how to use different windows present in Scratch. This is our Scratch website. At the top right corner, you can see your username. We will start with the sprite window, which you can see at the bottom right part. Here you can select the sprite, which is our character, by clicking on this button. You can select any of the sprites from the options. Like I select cat. Now it's time to select the backdrop, which is our background. Let us look at our stage window. All the changes you make can be observed here in our stage window. You can see our cat character appear here. At the left side, we have our code blocks. You can see the blocks are divided into different categories like motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables. You can take a look at them either by clicking on them or just by scrolling this block area. We will learn about all these blocks in our upcoming tutorials. At the center, we have our coding area where we will be dragging and dropping the blocks and start coding by arranging these blocks properly. At the top, you can see the green flag. This is our Go button with which we can run our code. The red button is used to stop our code from running. Congratulations guys! I hope you are now familiar with all the basic components of Scratch. Enjoy Scratch programming and see you in the next video.